Welcome to my channel. In today's class, we'll be discussing about the National Education Policy 2020. First and foremost, you will have to remember that the Ministry of Human Resource Development has been changed into the Ministry of Education. For schools, there is a major shift from the 10 plus 2 education system to the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 education system. Under 5, you have pre-KG, LKG, UKG, first standard and second standard. Under 3, you have third standard, fourth standard and fifth standard. Again under 3 you have 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard, and under 4 you have 9th standard, 10th standard, 11th standard and 12th standard. You have multi-stream education, flexibility to choose subjects across streams, and all subjects are to be offered at 2 levels of proficiency. Board exams would test core competencies instead of marks and statements, and board exams would be modular, that is subjective and objective, and it would be offered twice a year. The 10th and 12th standards will continue to have their board exams but in a different manner, and also 3rd standard, 5th standard and 8th standard children will have their board exams. Under multilingual, you have the 3-language policy system, and local language would be the medium of instruction till class 8. There would also be bagless days, 10 bagless days in a year, during which they are exposed to a vocation of choice, that is informal internship. The vocational skills would include gardening, electric work, carpentry, metal work, pottery making, etc. Emphasis on technology. This includes digitally equipping schools, teachers and students, and e-content would be in regional language. For colleges, you have the entrance exam system and 4-year bachelor degree. Midterm dropouts to be given credit with option to complete degree after a break, and no affiliation. Colleges will be given graded autonomy to give degrees, and affiliations with universities to end, so with deemed university status. Report cards. Report cards will be a comprehensive report on skills and capabilities instead of just marks and statements. All separations between vocational and academic and curricular and extracurricular will also be removed. That is, there would be a 360-degree holistic progress card of a child. I wish to add more details, so henceforth a progress card would include scholastic areas, that is the common subjects like maths, English, Tamil, etc. And under co-scholastic areas, the child's thinking skills, social skills, emotional skills would be graded, and under attitudes and values, the child's attitudes towards their environment, that is towards their peers, towards their teachers would be graded. And under co-scholastic areas you also have literary and creativity skills, scientific skills, aesthetic and performing arts, health and physical education. Under health and physical education you would be graded for the following skills, namely NCC, scouting and guiding, yoga, gymnastics, first aid and swimming. Thank you.